Hey guys, Trent here coming at you with another video. So we got more Masters of the Universe Origins. We're going to take a look at the Mattel Creations exclusive, Hurricane Hordak. So welcome into my channel. If you like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great toy videos, 80s, 90s, nostalgic videos, and things of that nature. Yeah, it's a nice collector's edition Hurricane Hordak with awesome packaging, and I guess collector's edition, that probably means that the action features probably work. But we'll see. Very nice. So let's take a look at this toy. Alright, here we go. Masters of the Universe Origins, Hurricane Hordak. Ruthless leader with the wicked whirling weapons. So this is a collector's edition figure. Nice deluxe figure. Got an extra head and a bunch of accessories. Got the Horde logo. And it's got some cool retro looking artwork. It looks really neat. It's very nice. We got the She-Ra 40th anniversary logo there. Got some monsters on the side. And then on the back is an awesome artwork. Hurricane Hordak with Horde in the background. 3 figures that look awesome, and I hope we get them. Oh, and there's the, what was that called? The Horde Command Tower or whatever it was. And then the Fright Zone. We know we're getting that one. Very neat. Well, it looks absolutely fantastic. And this is another one from the vintage line that we needed to complete the remake of the vintage line. So that's very cool. So let's get Hurricane Hordak out and see what he's all about. Alright, here we go. We got Hurricane Hordak out of the package. Got a lot of cool stuff, including Eye of the Storm comic book, exclusive Hurricane Hordak comic book. So that's nice. And so here's the figure. It looks great with that vac metal there, that gold vac metal. Nice shiny Horde logo. I think the body is exactly the same as standard Hordak, just with the armor, a different color armor on. So this is actually, in theory, just exactly Hordak other than the armor change. Of course, it's the accessories that are going to make it a lot more special. Yeah, I don't think... Yeah, here's standard Hordak. Yeah, it's pretty much the same. Oh, the head looks a little bit different. This might be the... There's a few different looks to the head. This might be the one that's the style that's on the Buzzsaw Hordak. I don't know. If the head's not exactly the same, it's very, very similar. But anyways... the reason we really, this is one of the reasons to get this set is to get this alternate head right there. Look at that. That is incredible. Let's try that on. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Punk Rock Hordak. That is awesome. That is a great head sculpt. So I like that we can recreate the vintage figure, or we have a special extra. We can do a totally different style, which is very nice. Basically, it looks like Hordak without his, whatever, that little armor piece that goes around his head. Alright, so we have this accessory to attach his different features. So we'll put that on and see how that works. Alright, so it just pegs right in there. You remove the hand, and then you got this. Now to be able to have the action feature, the feature is actually on the blaster itself, so it's going to work. So we got his 3 different accessories. You can put whichever one you want in there. So very neat. We got this one. I think. Oh no, this is the one where he should be his helicopter blade, huh? So I should have done it this way. Like he can fly. We got this melee looking kind of weapon. Very neat. And this one's pretty big and cool too. I don't know if that's like an energy weapon or something, like shoots a blast. It's pretty neat. Awesome figure. And you know, we did recently get this sketchbook series 2-pack. So you can see the skin tone of that head and everything looks good. So you could wear that. You could use you could probably use this accessory over here if you wanted to too. Mix and match these guys and make a whatever kind of awesome. Man, they're really doing some awesome stuff with Hordaks. All right, for vintage Hurricane Hordak, he's one of the few features that one of the few figures that I still never got. I'm missing his action. I'm missing his accessories. I wonder if these accessories work. I'm not sure. That'd be cool. They don't look like they fit perfectly. Nah, I don't want to try it. But Hurricane Hordak Vintage has this on the back to do the Hurricane feature. But yeah, I'm missing all of his accessories. So, but I can see how the intent for the recreation looks good. This looks a little bit different. You can see the armors are a little bit different, but still it looks good to me. Alright guys, well that's Hurricane Hordak, another vintage inspired figure we needed to complete our Origins vintage line. So hope you enjoyed checking it out. Hope everybody got one that wanted one. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.